Hey, it's Babsy B back to make little books of nouns, word cards with you for the little book that we made, Things I Like. We turn to the back of the book and you'll find the page that says Things, that has this word at the bottom. And you'll cut out all that page and then all of the word cards. And then we're going to match them to our little book of nouns that we made. Things, that's a noun. Things, things I like. Let's see, I like hats. Let's find a word card that says hats. You see how I match those words? We can also, and we can do that with all of them, we can also put words that rhyme. Hats and cats, those words rhyme. Let's see, cars and stars, those words rhyme. All kinds of activities that we can do with the word cards in the back of the book, Little Books of Nouns, from my website at babsyb.com.